Hey y'all, and welcome back to Daniel Family Garden. So I wanted to give y'all a peek at our string beans that we have. So these are called dragon tongue green beans, and as you can see, they are like a purple and kind of like greenish color, and they have these beautiful purple flowers on them. So we have a bunch of green beans here. These three were some of the first ones we planted right after supposed last frost, and then we got another frost and it didn't do too good, but then they started to come back. This one has grown a lot, and we've actually picked a few green beans off of this plant already, and it's starting to produce some more. Now the rest of these plants, we direct sowed them right into the ground, and they end up getting bigger than the ones we started in the greenhouse. So from now on, we're going to always direct sow our green beans right after the frost, because they tend to grow fairly quickly and do pretty good with being directly sown. So, and I believe these right here are going to be more dragon green beans, and these here are regular green beans. And as you can see the actual green beans are growing here, which are kind of small, but you see all the flowers. Now on this side, we actually have some I believe they're called purple jade green beans, and you can see these deep dark purple stems, and you can see where the green beans start out coming out green, and then when they actually start to grow and mature a little bit, they're this deep dark purple. Look at that, deep dark purple. So we have two of these, and they both have green beans on them that are currently growing. And then we have this one here that has these pink flowers on them, which these are red green beans. So you can see where it's that reddish color. It's more like a magenta pinkish color, but these are considered the red green beans, whereas these here are considered the purple green beans because of that deep dark purple color. So we have two of those, and then all of these here are just regular green beans. So we've been trying to mix it up just to have a good variety of green beans and variety of plants. So like I said, it did better for us direct sowing after the first frost, which we had the last frost, and ended up with an extra frost even after the supposed last frost. So next year when we do beans, we will not start any in a greenhouse just to be ahead of the curve. We'll just wait and get them out here a few days after last frost, so that way we can be prepared just in case we end up with an extra frost somehow, because like I said, it kind of stunted. Like this one here, the growth is kind of stunted on that. It's not really big. It produced like one green bean, but as you can see, it's still like very small, and that one's small. Then whereas the ones that were directly sowed into the ground are a whole lot larger than what we have off these ones here. And we also have another bed here that we are going to fill up. So we're thinking about doing some late corn. So we have all the corn there. We're going to do some late corn in here, and thinking about possibly doing some sunflowers and a few other things. And make sure you guys subscribe to our channel. Make sure you like and share with your friends, and come check us out and see what we got going on. Make sure you guys stay tuned for more.